To set live wallpaper on your Windows PC, first of all, we have to open our Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store on your PC, then click on the search bar and type here lively wallpaper. And we have to download and install this lively wallpaper by Rox Danister. So click on install and install this free lively wallpaper from here. Once it's successfully installed or downloaded, open the lively wallpaper from here. And we can see the lively wallpaper successfully launched. Or you can click this show hidden apps icon. And here you will find lively wallpaper. Right click on this icon and click on open lively. And your lively wallpaper will open. Now from this library, you can select any live wallpaper. And we can see the live wallpaper successfully applied on my desktop. Okay, now let's see how to set a custom live wallpaper as your desktop wallpaper. So go to your computer browser and open this website, motionbgs.com. So this website provides free live wallpapers. Click on this search and search for any live wallpaper category. For example, I'm typing here cars and let's search for cars, and here as a search results you'll find lots of live wallpapers. Let's pick any of the wallpaper here. So we can see this is a live wallpaper. I'm just clicking on download HD quality, and we can see the wallpaper downloading. You can also download 4K resolution from here. Once you've downloaded the custom wallpaper, now go back to your lively wallpaper dashboard and click this add wallpaper icon, and you can just drag and drop the live wallpaper that we just downloaded, just like this. And then you can rename the live wallpaper here and click on OK. It may take some moments to apply the live wallpaper on your desktop, and here we can see the live wallpaper successfully applied to my desktop. That's how you can follow the same steps to make any custom live wallpaper using this lively wallpaper. So thanks for watching.